with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1962 Austin Healey 3000 Mark II BT-7 Roadster. Triple carb, 4-speed overdrive side shift model, black red trim with chrome wire wheels, and this is the recipient of a ground-up restoration only about 5 or 6 years ago. So this restoration was completed in 2015. This car has a soft top, side curtains, and also a matching black hardtop. So really nicely optioned nut and bolt Austin Healey restoration here. Lovely, lovely car. I've done a lot of these, and this the fit and finish on this car is pretty exceptional. So let me shut this door here. So really exquisite restoration with this beautiful black paint work with hardly any flaws whatsoever. Super straight body, great grille fit, great panel fit. Really, really excellent nut and bolt Austin Healey we have here for sale. Like I was saying, it's fitted with those 60-spoke chrome wire wheels, factory overdrive, completely rebuilt mechanically and cosmetically. So if you haven't done one of these recently, the cost to do a nut and bolt restoration on a car like this to this level nowadays is quite staggering. So this car represents really good value because it has been done, it's ready to go, and it's just absolutely beautiful throughout. So really lovely gaps, great paint, chrome, bright work. You can see here everything trimmed beautifully in leather. So this is all lovely soft leather interior. So front seats, back seats, the upright, the armrest. You can see this car is bordering on like Concord perfection here. Beautiful, beautiful car. Wilton wool carpet, along with that beautiful, luscious red full leather interior. Correct original steering wheel instruments. In the trunk here, we'll have a look. Properly upholstered, all in correct arm accord. There's the spare tire. For ease of use, they've attached a trickle charger. Let's take a look at this car's engine compartment. So like I was saying, all the chrome, all the rubber, everything's just beautifully done on this one. So in here we've got a beautiful, fully restored engine bay to very correct detailing throughout. Correct painted engine compartment, engine. There's that beautiful triple carb setup. They only made about 5,000 of this model. There's also an electric fan fitted, to keep the car running cool as necessary. But yeah, beautiful, beautifully fully restored nut and bolt Healey here, with minimal use and only being a 5-year-old restoration, it's still showing just wonderfully nice throughout. Yeah, and there it is. So this is a hardtop, soft top car. It comes with a beautifully matching aftermarket hardtop that looks really lovely and fits the car great. Black cloth soft top, 1962 Austin Healey 3000 Mark II BT-7 triple carb roadster, finished in this spectacular black with red leather interior, 4-speed overdrive, chrome wire wheels, 2 tops. We have photo documentation of the restoration, and this is just a lovely turnkey example of this rare, desirable big Healey 3000. It's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.